Hello and welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you where to find the option and how to turn off hiding device when we are in the hotspot mode in Motorola Edge 15 Neo phone. So where to look for this option and how to turn it off. We need to go to settings. Yes, in settings, then we need to go to hotspot, next hotspot again, and here it is, hide my device option. So we can uncheck this function, and now our device, our phone is no longer hidden. What does this function do exactly? We have short explanation here. It's pretty easy to understand. It just will be hidden for any other device that is trying to look for a hotspot. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Bye.